Hello and welcome to Southwest France. At the moment we are doing a little renovation with our chickens. This is the run that they've had up until now. We built the poulier in about spring last year, and we put up sort of emergency fencing around, and we had to increase the coop when we had guests this summer because we had some guests with dogs, and the dogs were chasing the chickens, and it was all a bit of it's all a bit stressful. So we made a temporary coop, but it was a bit temporary, and the chickens kept escaping. So now is the time to permanently increase the coop and give them a better home. So let me introduce you to the chickens. Okay, the little black one down there, that's called Whitney. This grey one here is called Cher. Cher is actually a cock, but she was sold to us as a hen. This little cute one here is called Pink. This one with the pom-pom is Bernadette. And that one's scrubbing around, the brown one, that is Edna. And the other brown one with the floppy comb on is Myra. And we're missing one. There's Philip, the other cock, the white one. And we are missing Madge. Ah, there's Madge. Madge. Chook, chook. So anyway, so this is their old run, and there's the chicken flap to let them out, and we're going to increase it to cover the whole of this area. I've already moved the compost bins so that I can easily access them, because I hadn't been able to access them all summer. They were where the chickens are, there in front of you, and they were all there's fencing all around it, so I've had no access to the compost bins for the whole of this year. Anyway, that's going to be rectified now, so that's what we're doing today. The fence that's got the chicken flap, that won't be there. We're moving that out completely, so we'll probably put that chicken flap in probably the other side, to be honest, and then we'll move the gate a bit further forward, so they've got a nice big run. It's Whitney. Why is the gate shut? Why is the gate so shut? Anyway, we've bashed a couple of posts in, and we're recycling the fencing that we had on site when we moved in. It's been recycled about 4 or 5 times now. And we'll attach it to the second post, and we'll attach it to the back of the poulier. So that's where we are at the moment. So there we are. We are all finished. We've moved the fence. You can't see me. Moved the fence, given the chickens a much bigger run. Put a gate at the back. Moved the compost bins, and they should be very happy here. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and we'll see you on the next video.